Spring is just around the corner, and for lawn enthusiasts like us, it's the most anticipated season of the year to show off our lawns. But there's just one question. Is your lawn ready for spring? If your lawn looks more like a dry brown desert than a vibrant green oasis, don't worry. We've been there too, and we have the perfect solution to break this cycle of lawn disappointment. Introducing PetraMax Spring Green Grass Paint, the instant beauty solution for your lawn. Our custom pigment technology and state-of-the-art binder chemistry create a vibrant yet natural color that turns your lawn into a lush oasis, even in the hottest and driest weather. Our fast-drying formulation is safe for pets, people, and machinery. The proprietary wetting agents ensure even spray distribution for a uniform appearance. Once dry, it bonds to the turf on a molecular level, preventing color transfer and ensuring excellent adhesion. And here's the best part. Spring Green Grass Paint is safe for all types of turf and won't harm or inhibit growth. Transform your lawn into the vibrant paradise you've always dreamed of with PetraMax Spring Green Grass Paint. Spring is coming. Get your Spring Green Grass Paint today and make your lawn the talk of the neighborhood.